in its landmark judgment outlining powers and timeline for governors to decide on bills passed by state legislature, the Supreme Court has ruled President also do not enjoy absolute veto over bills passed by the State Assembly. The apex court said that the President must decide on bills within 3 months and states can approach courts if a decision is not taken within the prescribed time limit. More reports, details with my colleague Sam Daniel.
Although the constitution was clear that the governor should as soon as possible give assent to the bills and send it back if he or she have any reservations, practically it was working on political grounds, particularly in opposition rule states. Elected governments felt they were undermined as the governors deliberately, in their view, scuttled and delayed giving assent to bills indefinitely. And in this petition filed by Tamil Nadu government, the court has made 3 things clear. One, it has made it mandatory on the part of the governors that if a bill is passed twice by any state assembly, the governor ought to give assent, and that need not be unnecessarily sent to the president, as Tamil Nadu Governor RN Ravi had done. Secondly, it has given timeline, clearly a maximum of 3 months to clear bills. There are different conditions given, what in the case of with the aid of Council of Ministers, without the aid and advice of Council of Ministers, and then if it requires to be referred to the President. And thirdly, they have made it very clear that the governor ought to abide by the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, and he or she will not have any discretionary powers. In another aspect, it's also important, the presidents also now come under this, and in the case of bills passed by the assemblies and the governors, if they have any reservations in terms of it being contrary to any particular law, then the adjudication aspect should be left to the court, and the president ought to refer it to the court, not unnecessarily delay. And the presidents also have this kind of a 3-month maximum deadline or timeline to sort this.